Veteran musician Dorothy Masuka has died. Veteran jazz musician Dorothy Masuka has died at the age of 83, her family confirmed. Masuka had been suffering from complications related to hypertension after suffering a mild stroke last year. She was in the comfort of her home surrounded by her children and grandchildren, said family spokesperson Fortune Hute. Hute said that Masuka would be remembered for staying true to herself and her craft. One of Masuka's last stage performances was at Winnie Madikizela Mandela's funeral last year. On social media, tributes have been pouring in for Mam Masuka.
You